Hi everyone, this is Circuit Breaker Day 30 and also the last episode for SIT with Sylvia. So let's all stay united and practice meditation. So in today's video, I will share with you a meditation to keep your body, mind and spirit together as one. So I guess everyone understands what staying united means, especially for Singaporeans. When we grow up as a kid, every day in school we'll be saying we pledge ourselves as one united nation. And we also hear stories like how you can break one chopstick, but when the chopstick is in the bunch, you can't really break them, and that's the spirit of being united. But today I'm going to bring that concept inwards into our inner self, our inner body, mind and spirit. You know, yoga means union in Sanskrit. And in fact, meditation is part of this entire ancient yoga practice. And all this yoga and meditation is trying to do is basically to remind all of us to bring union into our body, mind and spirit, to realign what we think, what we speak and what we do. So most of us tend to think one thing, speak another and do something else, right? Once we start doing that, subconsciously our life starts to go into disharmony, imbalances, and we start attracting and drawing a lot more resistance and challenges into our life experience. That's why it's so fantastic to take up an exercise like yoga or meditation. You know, especially in times of disasters and crises like this one, it's so important for us to build a strong foundation by realigning our body, mind and spirit so that we can really stay strong and steadfast. No matter what comes ahead, you're able to have the strength, the core center, the focus, the ability to help you ride the waves and rise up from the circumstances. So if you're ready, come join me in the next meditation. Great, so have you found your space and your seat? If yes, just gradually ease yourself, adjust. As usual, adjust your sit bone. Sit up nice and tall, lengthen your spine, relax your shoulders, and just allow your facial muscles to relax. You might even want to move them around. Okay, just relax your forehead, your cheekbones, your jaws, the tongue. Okay. So in the last 29 videos for the meditation part, I've always tried something different to help to be more engaging, colorful and fanciful for the sake of making this video more entertaining. But today is day 30 and it's all about uniting our body, mind and spirit. So I really want to bring the whole essence of mindfulness and meditation into this last episode. So it's going to be a bit more solemn, more peaceful, slower pace, going with the flow. So I'd like you to really also follow me in this pace, in this space, in this energy. And if right now there's a lot of distractions around you because maybe you are in the middle of doing your housework or working from home, you can save this video and do it maybe later tonight when you're ready to take a break, take a rest and call it a day. But if you're all ready right now for the next 10 to 15 minutes, just relax your body and mind. Basically, you and I, we're just sitting together and allowing this moment of mindfulness to calm ourselves down, to slow ourselves down. So let's open our palms, face it towards the sky. Gently close your eyes. If you can, just put a smile on your face. Life is supposed to be pleasurable and a journey to experience. You don't have to take it so serious all the time and trying to play the game, win the game. After all, life is just a complete circle. We come with nothing as a baby, and we're gonna leave this world, leave this planet Earth with nothing as well. So no matter what you are going through right now, just simply allow this river to flow within you. Allow the air to flow in and out of you, following the course of nature. Just like the sun will rise in the morning, will set in the evening, and the moon will rise up to take its turn to look after Mother Earth. And when the night is over, the day begins again. And that's what our life is. It's just phases and cycles of rising up, setting down, rising, rising, rising as you breathe in, falling, falling, falling as you breathe out. It's just like this breath that you are intaking and exhaling every single day. So take a deep breath in now through the nose, all the way through your belly. Allow the air to push your belly outwards to make it rise, rise, rise. And then now as you breathe out, and allow the belly to sink in, sink in, sink in. Take another deep breath in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. And now I'd like you to gently place both your palms together in the center of your chest. This is the ancient Anjali Mudra. As we connect our palms together, we are also connecting the 5 elements residing in each of our fingers. Starting from the thumb, so pay attention to your thumbs, both thumbs that are connected right now to each other. This is the element of fire. So feel that strength, that inner self, your identity within you. Feel that fire burning from strength to strength. Feel the passion, the dreams that you've got in your life, the energy, the engine. And now slowly move your attention to your second finger, the index finger. Notice how both fingertips are sticking onto each other. And the index finger holds the element of wisdom. So as you connect your index fingers together, tell yourself that with all the knowledge and the wisdoms that you have within you, no matter what the circumstances are, you will be able to find creative solutions out of the situation. Continue the flow of your breathing to anchor your mind on that rhythm as you follow me through the rest of the 3 elements. And now we have arrived at your middle finger, which holds the element of heaven, your gateway to connecting with your deeper consciousness, your deeper truth, your original source. So whether you're a religious or non-religious person in life, there will be some form of faith that you hold on to, that you embrace and embody as part of your life journey. So as you connect your middle fingers together, I want you to think about this faith, this belief. It's like the pillar of your life. Make sure that they are still there, still standing tall, still deeply embedded into the ground to set the foundation for you to connect to this gateway of higher consciousness. And And now we go to our fourth finger, our ring finger, which holds the element of earth. And earth is all about grounding ourselves in life so that we are not here and there and everywhere. When we ground ourselves, we're able to realign what we think, what we speak, what we do, and to stay true to what's best for our highest good. So as you breathe out, bring your attention to the last finger that holds the element of water. And water is the symbolism of relationship. So as the last finger is also the smallest of all 5 fingers, it reminds us that in relationship, it's the little things that count. So during this circuit breaker, you're spending tremendous amount of time in a common space with the people that you hold the deepest relationship with. So don't forget about all the little things that count. Remember to send your gratitudes. Remember to show your love. Remember to be patient, because all of us are going through collectively, because all of us are going through the same challenges. So let's be considerate and loving and kind to each other, so that in this unity we'll be able to go forward together, hand in hand, heart with heart. So just take a few moments of silence as you realign your body, mind and spirit, like how you have realigned your palms and the 5 elements together to center yourself again. Make sure that you're still sitting up nice and tall, to allow that spine to become your strong pillar. Allow the gravity to hold you down like a strong foundation. Allow everything to go with the flow. And let nature take its own course. And let's take a deep breath in as we send gratitude to this moment of rest, moment of realignment and unity. And as you breathe out, just bow towards your Anjali Mudra, sending love and light to yourself, your body, mind and spirit. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Great, so I hope you are feeling good and all realigned. You should be feeling really clear, really relieved, and even positive towards the journey ahead. Great, so now we have finally come to the end of the 30 days video and the final part of the last video. So once again, I want to send you so much love, so much gratitude for keeping me accompanied in the last 30 days. There's still about 30 days ahead of us, so please continue to stay united and be strong. Be positive, be hopeful, be calm, be coherent. So every time you feel a bit low, just refer back to all the 30 intentions that I have written for this SIT with Sylvia series. I hope they are going to give you a little boost of energy. And I also look forward to seeing you again in my new series, Inward with Sylvia. So it's going to be a 15 to 20 minutes daily muse where we will practice meditation and mindfulness together for inner balance, for self-love, for clearing space, for staying focused. So there are many themes each day, and you can allocate 15 to 20 minutes each time for this video as part of your daily muse to maintain your well-being and to maintain your well-being and allowing yourself to really ride the waves during this circuit breaker. So wishing you all the best, and I'll see you again soon. Take good care. Bye.